Hi everyone, welcome to the App Doc channel. Today we'll talk about everything you need to know about NavigationStack, which is the only good way to perform navigation in pure SwiftUI. Alright, let's begin with the simplest example. I want to tap on this button and show a cat photo. First, I embed this view in NavigationStack. It doesn't do anything yet. Then I will use the navigation link and put our view here in the label closure, and then put the image here. I missed the closing bracket here. Alright, you see the color changes, and then when I tap, here we go. This is the easiest way to navigate in SwiftUI. NavigationStack serves as the core of the navigation. You can think of it like it's a stack of cards. That's why it's called NavigationStack, and each view is an individual card. When we navigate to the next view, it's like putting a card on top of the stack, and when we go back, it's like we remove the card from the top. And NavigationLink is the link between the source view and the destination view. This is the source view and the destination view. But actually, I discourage you to use NavigationLink. I don't want you to use it in real apps because even though it looks simple, it actually damages your code in the long run because it has poor performance, it doesn't support programmatic navigation, and it teaches you bad coding practice. I wrote a blog about why you shouldn't use NavigationLink. Please check it out below in the description. Alright, let's see how we can do it better. I'll change the navigation link to button and move the destination view to navigation destination modifier here, and I'll use a state boolean to represent the navigation state. And finally, trigger the navigation by setting is presented to true. And here we get the same as before. This way, we are supporting programmatic navigation, and we can add more actions to the button. This is how you can do simple but better navigation, but there's more thing you can do. In real world, we usually pass the data when we navigate to display in the next view. To pass data between views, let's take a look at this one. I have a list of cats, which is a scroll view, and a lazy VStack iterating through a cat array to create multiple cat cards. And each item is basically an image with a clip shape. Like before, I want to show the detail of each cat when I tap on it, but this time I want to show the detail of the cat I tapped on, not the others. So I have to pass the data of the cat I tapped on to the next view. I will, again, embed the view in the navigation stack. and define a new state. But this time, I'll use NavigationPath instead of a boolean. When we use a boolean like the previous example, we add or remove one view at a time. But with NavigationPath, we can add more and more views to the stack. To navigate, we append the cat object to the path. You have to make sure that your type is conforming to hashable protocol. And we set the destination view corresponding to that object and its type using the navigation destination for, and we put the type of the data we pass. And finally, we use the data we pass with the destination view. Like this. I forgot to use the path here. Let's see in action. Let's make it look a bit nicer with the navigation title. And change the back button color to white. You can see it's showing the corresponding cat with its name and a very cool quote. Let's review again. First, we define the navigation path and use it with the navigation stack. Then we add our data to the path. Make sure it conforms to hashable protocol. And navigation destination modifier will detect when the data of this type is added to the path and then perform this action when the item is added. Finally, use the data for the corresponding destination view. There's one more thing. We can navigate with multiple data types and have multiple destination views. For example, we can go to the post itself or go to the cat detail. Let's break down the code. When we tap on the post, we add the post to the path and navigation destination for post performs, showing the post content. And when we tap on the cat, we append the cat to the path and navigation destination for cats performs, showing the cat detail. You might notice earlier that there's an avatar of the cat here in the post content. If we tap, it doesn't do anything yet, but here is the action when we tap on the cat image in the post. I'll append the cat to the path. And let's see what happened. When we tap on the cat here, it shows the cat detail. And when we go back, back to the post, and then back to the all post screen. We can also go back programmatically. It might not make sense here. I will do it just for the sake of demo, but we could remove one or more items from the path to go back. There was a lot of information in this video, so please take your time, rewatch if needed. There are topics about navigation that's beyond the scope of this video, like deep linking or cleaning our code and working with UIKit, etc. But don't worry, please hit subscribe because I will definitely talk about these topics soon. Have a good day, have a good night, and see you in the next one.